Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I've had a busy morning. So I left Pisa and I wasn't going to do any filming in the road. Well, I didn't really do any filming one bit. I was heading inland to go to the Vinci museum, which I've been really looking forward to. And I got to the town's beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. But I've been driving round and round and round and nowhere to park. And I was going to give up. And I found a spot. And I wasn't 100% if it was legal, and I sat for ages, and then the police went past, and then the same police car went past again, and I thought, no, I don't know. So I moved, and I just decided to go. And just outside town, there was a spot I was able to stop, and I got on the internet, park for night, and found this car park right on the edge of the town, 700 meters from the museum. Perfect. There's no services, but it doesn't matter, it's free, and I'm going to get to test out my electrics at last. So I'm going to stay here tonight. I'm going to get sorted out now and walk down to the Vinci Museum. But really in Tuscany, the scenery on the way here is just stunning, and it just gets nicer and nicer and nicer. But I'm really lucky, I'm glad I found this spot. I'd have been pretty depressed driving away after not getting parked. It's just some of these towns are just so tight, so small. That way town was all one-way systems and loads of cars parked, but no room for camper vans anywhere. So I will see you in the Da Vinci Museum. Can't find the museum, but I'm really enjoying trying to find it. Oh my god, how beautiful is this? For the first time in Italy I got tickets, but like tickets are just always hard to arrange here for some reason. So I went to the entrance to the museum and was told, oh, you have to go and get a ticket office, which was down in the street. So I'm back down and went back up to the museum, and she says it's two parts, you can't come into this one first, you have to go into the other one first. But which I'm now looking for. That's it. So I'm not sure what the first building is then. I will know shortly. Da Vinci was born in 1452, and considering what he'd done in his life, he died pretty young, 67. You know, Da Vinci is famous for painting, but in his time he was a renowned engineer and chemist, mathematician, known for it even then. These are obviously all just models, but on the wall there's sketches that all the models are made from. It's amazing. I mean, for someone at that time to have so much curiosity, optics, physics, anatomy, flight. He invented all sorts of things, and of course the thing he's most famous for of all is the Mona Lisa. Now, I've seen the Mona Lisa. It was in the Louvre. Of course, you never know if it's a real one, because sometimes they put a fake one up in case someone decides to figures a way of stealing it. They're not going to do it in case they get the fake one. But the thing that stood out about it to me, it's very small. It's a wee small painting. And of course, he's well known as well for making models of flying machines, which were way ahead of his time. People back then didn't think about flying. And just on a wee side note, he's appeared in several episodes of various different Star Treks, mainly Star Trek Voyager. So there you go. If you didn't know that, I've told you something new. I love museums. They definitely bring you to another place. That was fantastic, wonderful.
Alla vostra. Alla tua. What's your name?
Salute, Steve.
Steve. My name is Simone. Like
Simone.
Simon with T.
Simon.
Good.
Salute. Yeah. I think it's time for mass. As soon as I turned on the camera, the bells went. The bell! You know, whenever you went on holidays, maybe Spain, first time, and they open the door and you walk out and you feel that heat, that breath of heat that you've never felt before. Today's the first day that's what it's like here. It's fantastic, it's beautiful. Beautiful countryside. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, thumbs up would be great, very helpful to the channel. But that's it from me, so until next time, bye for now.